Pakistan, added in Amazon's approved seller list. Are you ready to jump into the world's biggest marketplace, Amazon? But don't know where to start? You can join this 2 months training. Take complete Amazon training if you are really serious about growing Amazon business and gain a profit. You will learn setting up Amazon seller account, manage and optimize Amazon store, product hunting, competitors analysis, bulk listing optimization and sales factors, organic and paid marketing strategies, manual and auto PPC campaigns management, barcodes and shipment handling, advanced reports and much more. Who can join this training? Exporters, online business startups, professionals, students, entrepreneurs, freelancers. So why you are wasting the time? Join Theta Solutions and bright your future. For more details, contact us.